Thank you for visiting us here at LEDOutfitters.com. Wanted to do a quick close-up video of our Micro Slim LED dash light. This one has utilizing our two modules in this housing. It has a flashback shield, suction cup brackets that are adjustable, as well as a slide bolt in the back where you can mount these basically anywhere. It's bright, it moves traffic out of the way, it's sleek, it's designed to be thin so you can mount it anywhere. It's small, but wow, does it have a punch. I'm going to turn it on here so you guys can see how amazing this is. The amber white version, available in multiple different color combinations, and these have tons of flash patterns. Guys, tons of cord, cigarette lighter plug with an on and off switch and a pattern change switch on here, so you could go through the different flash patterns when you have these set in your vehicle. And you can't go wrong with these. Get them in, play with them, touch them, see the quality of these. You can't go wrong with these. Great off-axis lighting, great head-on lighting as well. Love hearing from you guys. Again, send me your questions, send me your ideas. These dash lights were created with your guys' ideas and suggestions. So the more you give us, the more feedback you provide us, the better we can make our products, the better we could provide these products and making us one of the leaders in emergency lighting. And we really appreciate your support throughout the years. Have a great and blessed day.